Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by immediately hunting known storage locations so you can act fast. Sign into the Microsoft account linked to the PC and open devices to check BitLocker recovery keys. If this is a work device, sign into Azure AD or ask IT to check Active Directory for the device object's recovery key. Also check any labeled USB drives and the physical printout you may have saved. Once one of these sources shows the key, you'll be ready to unlock or back up the key. With admin rights, run an elevated shell because BitLocker information requires elevation. Execute Manage BDE Protectors Get C to list protectors and any stored recovery passwords and their ID. Note the 48-digit recovery password if present. If you need to create or force a new recovery password for future access, run Manage BDE Protectors Add C. Recover a password and record the new key securely. Make sure to copy the recovery string exactly. Small transcription errors will prevent unlocking and waste time. Use the 48-digit key at the BitLocker recovery prompt or run Manage BDE Unlock C. Recovery password your 48-digit key from an elevated shell to regain access. Once unlocked, immediately back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account or Active Directory and verify backup by listing protectors again. If you plan to suspend or decrypt, run Manage BDE Off C after confirming backups. If the key fails, double-check you signed into the correct account or device record. Contact your IT admin to search Azure AD.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.